Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please to subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to do unboxing. So my baby said hello. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to do unboxing. So the unboxing for today is this. Let's see. Let's open. Yes. Oopsie. Oh, I'll put it here. Ay, it's upside down. Oh, the Damme Collection. Also, 3 videos, 3 films.
Blu-rays. Yeah, 3 films.
3
on
Blu-rays
Blu-ray.
in here. So that is, the first one is Damme A.W.O.L, A.W.O.L. And then the second one, the second one is the Black Eagle, Damme Black Eagle.
A.W.O.L is absent without leave.
Absent.
Absent without leave.
Oh, without leave. So that is military. Yeah.
Well, I'm not too sure which to do with that.
Oh, so I will. So the second one is Black Eagle. I didn't know that there's Black Eagle.
So nice early films. I think they're all 3 are early films of his.
Oh, the third one is Death Warrant. So all these are old films.
All this.
But it doesn't say in here. I'm sorry, I can't see. Okay, you can see it here, guys. So there are 3 discs in here. So this is a good value for money because 3 for 1.
Yes.
So this is a collection. Also, this is called
It was only £10, I think.
oh, £10 for
Amazon.
this.
Yeah.
If it's normally, if it's 1, how much?
It varies.
10 as well.
Could be.
Sometimes.
Yeah. When they first come out, it's usually at least £15 just for one.
So I think it's better to buy collection
Yeah.
or trilogy. Trilogy is 3 as well in there, is it?
Yeah.
So this is like trilogy. So this is a Blu-ray, guys. So this is original because you can see it's shining. Shining armor. Yeah. So we only buy the original one, guys.
Yes.
Because it's worth it and it's lasts
So
longer.
you buy it from reputable companies.
Yeah. And this is
Normally originals.
and this
Always
is
originals.
where did you buy this, Talo?
Amazon.
This is from Amazon, our favorite. So, oh, I'm excited to see this. I think I haven't seen all of this yet.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
so
don't think we have.
I'm excited to see. So we will make a review, guys, when we see any of these. And then, should I open it?
No, we'll do that when we're going to
Okay,
watch.
guys, it's a rules that we cannot open until we watch it. So it become fresh when yeah. So I love Damme, John Claude. I think he's Mr. Universe as well, or something.
I'm not sure.
Because his body is like Mr. Universe. Yeah. And he got muscle man.
Muscles from Brussels.
Is he the one? Muscles
Yeah.
from Brazil. Oh, yeah, that's right.
That's the nickname they gave him.
So how about Arnold? So what's his
He
nickname?
used to be Mr. Universe, I think.
Oh, Mr. Universe.
Yeah.
Lucky guy, huh? Alright, so Okay, guys, so this is the unboxing for today. This the Van Damme Collection, the Cult Movie Collection.
Yes.
Our baby is uneasy. I don't know
He
what he
wants to go
wants.
out.
Oh, he wants to go in the garden. He wants to eat
Yes.
the grass. Okay. So, what is the Cult Collection, darling? Cult, C-U-L-T.
It's like the films have got cult status.
Oh, so that's
That's
what
what
it
they're saying.
means.
Yeah.
Oh, right. Okay. Now I know. I thought it's just the horror movie, this cult.
No.
So it's not all is horror. Ah, okay. Now I know. Now you know, guys. Okay, guys. So thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Ta-da! Love, love, love.